Shout out to the sweet farm. Yeah, big up sweet farm. Straight.
Right, so the sweet family, you know what I mean? Original, you understand?
Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be making our Christmas cake. So enjoy, guys. I hope you can follow our easy recipe and try making your own Christmas cake this year, guys. Let's bake. Okay, guys, so these are the ingredients that we will be working with. I will be putting the ingredients on the screen right now and in the description, guys. So let's bake. These are the ingredients that we'll be working with. Okay, so let's get them in now, guys. This is my fruits, been soaking all year. So I normally put like Red Label wine and rum in that, guys, with whichever fruit that you choose. So that's locking all the flavors there. That's going to make our cake so delicious. Okay, guys, so the first thing that we need is 2 cups of unsalted butter. I'll be using this Stark butter. This one works very well for me, so you can use whichever butter that you choose. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much 1 cup. And I'll be measuring up the 2nd cup now. Okay, doke, so that's 2 cups of unsalted butter. Okay, here we got 2 cups of brown sugar. So we will be creaming those together, guys. So let's whisk them. Here we got our sugar and our butter mix, guys. So the next step now, we're going to be blending our fruits here. I'm going to be blending it right out so our cake is smooth, but if you want, you can chop the fruits. Yes, guys, so if you want, you can chop your fruits or whichever way you like it, guys, but I'm going to blend mine right out so that my cake is smooth. Okay, guys, so that's 8 cups of fruits. So I'll be blending those now, guys. Okay. That is smelling so lovely, guys, with all that rum and fruit scent that's been soaking over 1 year, guys. Okay, guys, so we're gonna put this aside now, and we'll be using 10 eggs. So I'll be putting 10 eggs in that bowl there. So we'll be breaking those eggs, guys, and putting it in that bowl for us to put in our mixture. Okay. Yes guys, that's reminding me. Yes guys, my oven is preheated for when my mixture is ready. Yes guys, so I always take these white things out my eggs. Even when I'm frying my eggs, I normally take them out. I think there's a shortage of egg in the UK at the moment because we can only get free range eggs on the shelves, as I think there are some disease or something killing out the chickens. Okay guys, I'm gonna fast forward until I finish taking these out. Okay guys, so now we will be adding our fruits to the mixture. So I'm gonna be pouring in my fruits in the mixture guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to be mixing So now we will be adding in our eggs gradually to the mixture. We'll be putting in our vanilla, 3 teaspoons, and then we just mix that in. Okay guys, here so we got our self-rising flour. So basically we are doing our dry ingredients now guys. So that's 2 cups self-rising flour. So now we're going to add half teaspoon baking powder. Okay, so that's half teaspoon baking powder. And now we'll be adding 1 teaspoon cinnamon, ground cinnamon guys. And now we'll be adding half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon salt. Okay, so now we're going to combine that ingredients guys. Okay, so now we will be adding our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Okay, so now we will be adding our dry ingredients gradually, and then we'll be folding that in. Okay, so this is the consistency that we are looking for guys. Okay, now the last thing we're going to be doing is to be adding our browning. Okay. Okay, 4 teaspoons of browning, guys. So now we will be folding that in. Okay, so our mixture, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm just going to be greasing the pans or the tins. Okay, so now we'll be putting them in the oven, guys, to bake for 1 hour. Guys, they're ready now. I'm gonna take them out. Yeah, this guy's all ready. Okay, guys, so I'm just putting some red wine over this cake so it stays nice and moist. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, like, and share. Have a good Christmas, and I hope you enjoy the holiday season. Bye for now.